Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this super quick and easy ghost nail tutorial. I found inspiration on this nail look from Pinterest and I believe TikTok. I saw quite a few different creators making these types of little nail designs, and I thought that they were super cute. So if you guys want to see how we did this, then please continue to watch. Going in with the Neutrals nail tips by Apres, and these are in the sculpted square long. I really love this neutral color, and I wanted something that was already pre-colored to use, since I would be going in with something around this tone anyway, and then just going in with the ghost details on top of it. So yeah, I've been seeing these really cute ghost designs and I'm absolutely obsessed, and I'm like, I really want to try that, and I feel like I could utilize these nail tips to do so. So I'm gonna go ahead, size these out. Okay, so my nails are prepped. I've pretty much done all of my other prep already, so now I'm going to go in and apply my nail dehydrator. Now I'm going to go in with my Model 1's nail primer. I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of my base coat. Okay, so to apply the extensions, I'm going in with my Creations soft gel tips. Okay, so this is what the first nail looks like while it's applied. And I did go ahead and change my lamp because the other one that I was using needed to be charged. So we went with my trusty Smeow lamp, and we're going to use that to apply the rest of the extensions. Okay, you guys, so for this part of the design, I am applying a thin layer of my base gel, and we're going to leave that uncured. Next, we're going to go in with our dotting tool. You want to make sure that it has a larger side and smaller side, and with a white gel polish of your liking, you're just going to create a large circle and then drag down so that you can create somewhat of a tail, and this is going to be the foundation of our ghost. Now, because we have that base gel down, it's going to help for the ghost shape to spread so it looks more floating and it's not just stark white. It's going to really create an ombre effect, which is nice. And then we're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Once we've cured the white gel that we've placed down, now we're going to go in with the smaller side of our dotting tool in a black gel, and we're going to create dots for the eyes. And then what I like to do is place down the dotting tool and drag it a little bit to create the mouth. What I found is the bigger the dots on the eyes, the friendlier my ghost looks, I think. So that's pretty much what I just repeated on each of my ghosts. And now I'm just going to repeat those same steps for the rest of the fingers. I did already complete my pinky off camera. That was like my practice nail, but I'm just doing the same thing on the rest of the nails, applying that base coat, leaving it uncured, and then going over top with the ghost, the white gel polish first, curing that for 60 seconds, and then going in with the eyes and mouth. Now that we're wrapping up on the final detail, we're going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Now that our design is complete, I'm going to go in and apply my no wipe gel top coat. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. I think this turned out really cute. It's sweet and simple, and if you just wanted something really cute for the spooky season, I think that this is really nice. I feel like my ghosts look more on the friendly end. Well, some of them, so I really like this nail set. I like the way that it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Be sure to thumbs up this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.